In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed ramp like a pro in Davinci Resolve and beyond. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just stepping into the world of video production, mastering the art of speed ramping can add an extra layer of cinematic flair to your projects. So, let's dive right into the process and uncover some of the practical details and insights to get you started. The first thing you'll need to do is open Davinci Resolve. This software, offered by Blackmagic Design, is a powerful tool used by professionals worldwide. It's perfect for video editing, color correction, and more. If you don't have it installed yet, head over to the Blackmagic Design website to download and install the latest version for your system. Once you've got Davinci Resolve open, navigate to the edit page. The edit page is essentially where the magic happens. Here you have access to a wide range of tools and options to adjust your footage and perfect your edits. It's important to get familiar with its layout and functionalities, as this will significantly speed up your editing process. Now that you're in the edit page, right click on your timeline to display a menu with various options. This is where you're really going to start shaping your footage. Speed ramping is about controlling the velocity of your video to create dramatic, dynamic effects and transitions. To kick things off, you'll need to enable retime controls. This option provides you with an additional layer of control over your clips, allowing you to adjust the playback speed with precision. If you're wondering how to do that, simply click on retime controls from the drop-down menu. When you enable retime controls, a series of arrows and percentage markers will appear on your clip in the timeline. These tools will allow you to adjust the duration and speed of various segments of your video. This is where you can start creating those smooth speed transitions, such as speeding up and slowing down your footage for dramatic effect. A good tip is to play around with different speeds to see what works best for the mood and style of your project. Remember, speed ramping is as much about storytelling as it is about aesthetics. Always consider how these changes impact the narrative and emotional journey of your video. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating stunning, professional-looking speed ramps. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep experimenting with different clips and techniques. Don't be afraid to explore various transitions and effects, as they all contribute to honing your skills in editing. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to get you started on speed ramping in Davinci Resolve. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. And be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on video editing and production. Happy editing!